Hey everyone, this is a quick video showing how to clean the Coway Airmega pre-filter whenever it's dirty. To start off, you'll remove the front cover, just pull from the top and then it will pop off. Set that aside. The machine will automatically turn off whenever you remove the cover, so you don't have to worry about that. Next, we have our pre-filter here, which is, you can see there's some hair and other dust that's on there. It's been about 3 weeks since I've cleaned this filter, and they recommend cleaning it every 3 to 4 weeks. So to take the pre-filter out, there are black tabs at the top. Just grab them and then pull straight forward and the filter will come out. So once it's out, be careful. The dust might spill out if you are just knocking it around. We can set it down and then grab any vacuum of your choosing and run the vacuum along the pre-filter. Be careful that the end of the vacuum doesn't damage the screen as you're vacuuming. But I'll go ahead and vacuum this off. And then once the pre-filter is cleaned to your liking with a vacuum, we'll go ahead and reinstall it. To reinstall it, there are 2 black tabs at the bottom. Just line those up with these slots right here. I'll line them up. And then press the top of the filter back into the machine and it will click. And then we can install the front again. For this installation, there are some metal, just plastic nubs down at the bottom here. Go ahead and line them up with the 2 holes down here, just to make sure it's set right. And then once it's lined up, click the front of it back on and the machine will start back up. Let me know if you have any questions, leave them in the comments.